5 is less than 10. Multiply minus on both sides. If I multiply minus 5 minus 10. And after you solve, you can represent the solution in real numbers. You can represent the solution in integers. X is greater than 11 by 5. So real numbers means greater than. See, 11 by 5 is a number somewhere on number line. So here we have strictly less than. If it is less than or equal to, then I will write closed interval. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of linear inequalities. One of the important chapter. Say, we read this as A strictly less than B. And this is A greater than B. And this is A less than or equal to B. And this is A greater than or equal to B. Solving the inequalities. How to solve the inequalities? Rules to solve. So rules are simple. So solving inequalities is same as solving equalities. Is same as solving inequalities. Is same as solving equalities. Only in certain situation there is exceptions. Solving inequalities is same as solving equalities except in the following cases. What are the cases? First one, inequality changes when you take reciprocal on both sides. So, when reciprocal is taken on both sides, inequality changes. On both sides, inequality changes. Relation changes. Relation changes means if it is less than, it will become greater than. For example, all of you know 2 is less than 10. Do you agree? So I have written 2 is strictly less than 10. Now I will take reciprocal on both sides. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 10. All of you know 1 by 2 value. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is 0.5. And all of you know 1 by 10. What is 1 by 10? 0.1. So if you take 0.5 and 0.1, 0.5 is greater than 0.1. So this is 0.5 and this is 0.1. Now less than becomes greater than. So because 0.5 is more than what? 0.1. So therefore, when you take reciprocal on both sides, relation changes. When we take reciprocal on both sides, relation changes. Relation changes means earlier it was less than, now it became what? Greater than. This is one of the important assumption. Similarly, when negative sign is multiplied on both sides, relation changes. When negative sign is multiplied on both sides, relation changes. Negative sign is multiplied, relation changes. Relation, again it reverses. Relation changes. That is, for example, if I'll take minus 5 or okay, 5 is less than 10. Do you agree? 5 is less than 10. Multiply minus on both sides. If I multiply minus 5 minus 10. But you know minus 5 is greater than what? Minus 10. Negative 5 is more than negative 10. So means a person with 5 lakh loans and a person with 10 lakh loans. Who is richer? A person with 5 lakh loans is richer than person with 10 lakh loans. So minus 5 is greater than what? Minus 10. So when you multiply minus on both sides, the relation changes. It was less than, now it becomes what? Greater than. So rules of inequality and equality both are same when you want solving. But only in two cases you should be very careful. That is when you take reciprocal, the relation changes. Similarly, when you multiply minus sign on both sides, the relation changes. So now some simple examples we'll take. Say 3x plus 2 less than or equal to, say, 20. Say they have given 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 20. Solve this. So now let us solve this. Solve, they'll give. And after you solve, you can represent the solution in real numbers. You can represent the solution in integers. You can represent the solution in the form of number line. So we'll see all the possibilities. So now how to solve this? Solution is simple. So that is, solution is simple. 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 20. Transfer plus 2 to RHS. So it will become 3x less than or equal to 20 minus 2 it will be. That is 3x less than or equal to 18 it will be. That is x less than, see, plus 2 if it goes that side, it will become minus 2, like equality. And x less than or equal to 18 into 3 comes down, it will become divided by 3. This is 3 into x. So x is what? Into 3 transfer to RHS, it will become divided by 3 ones are 3 6 are. So now the final solution is x less than or equal to 6. X less than or equal to 6, if you draw number line, on number line we'll have number called minus 6. Left side will have negative infinity, right side will have positive infinity. So x is less than minus 6 means left side. On number line at 6, less than, you can see less than or equal to. Less than or equal to 6 means including 6. So x belongs to, less than 6 means highest number is 6. Left side what we have? Negative infinity. X belongs to minus infinity to 6. But infinity nobody can reach, so we should write open interval. Open interval means not included. And in less than or equal to 6 means we have to include 6. We have to include what? 6. So closed interval 6. X belongs to minus infinity to closed interval 6. On number line, how to represent this? On number line, left side we have negative infinity, right side we have positive infinity, and we'll have number 6 here. Here at 6 you should draw an open bubble. At 6 you should draw open bubble. Left side means, so shade left side means make the line thicker towards left side. So from 6, including 6. Including 6 means what? We should write dark bubble. 6 is included, so dark bubble. At 6 put a dark bubble. At 6 put a dark bubble and shade it left side or make the line thicker left side. This is the solution. I have represent at 6 put what? One dark bubble. So I put one dark bubble at 6 and make the line thicker towards left side because less than means left. So number line representation. This is what? Interval, real number representation. This is x belongs to real number. This is the solution. And integers. Integers means less than 6. What are the integers less than 6? So you can take 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, so on till negative infinity. So if it is integer, or you can also write this like this: x is equal to, start from infinity, negative dot dot dot, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the last element. Anything fine, but integers means you should write all the integers that are lying in the solution region. X less than or equal to 6 means from 6 go left, that is left. Integers are this. Real numbers means we will have even decimals. 5.2 is also a real number, that's why we should write in interval. And intervals, see dear students, if I say 2 to 5 closed interval, how to read this? 2 to 5 closed interval means including 2 till 5, 2 till 5. So on number line 2, 3, 4, 5, so till 5, sorry, till here means these numbers are also there, 2.5, 2.3 like that. This is called as open interval 2 to 5. Open interval 2 to 5 means we should not include 2, we should not include 5. So after 2, so if this is 2, this is 5, after 2 from here to here, excluding these two numbers. This is open interval. And infinity always you should write in open interval because nobody can reach infinity. So this is minus infinity to plus infinity, open interval. Always, whether you get infinity, minus infinity or infinity, infinity should be included in what? Open interval. So now let us start solving this exercise 7.3. 1 mark and 2 mark questions. So solve the following inequalities in one variable. They have given one variable called x. We need to find that x. Now they told x belongs to real number here. Means you should write in intervals, real number means. So 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 7 minus 2x. Question is 3x minus 4 greater than 7 minus 2x. Bring minus 2x to LHS, it will become 3x plus 2x greater than 7. Transfer 4 minus 4 to that side, it will become plus 4. And 3x plus 2x is how much? 5x. 5x is greater than 11. So x is greater than 11 by 5. X is greater than 11 by 5. So real numbers means greater than. See, 11 by 5 is a number somewhere on number line. Greater means I should shade towards the right side. Till what? Right side will have positive infinity, left side will have negative infinity. So greater than we got. Strictly greater than they told means this is not included. So x belongs to minus infinity to 11 by 5. And 11 by 5 is not included, so open interval. So x belongs to open interval minus infinity to 11 by 5. Then solve 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Again, x belongs to what they told? Number line, and represent on number line. So bring 2x to LHS, so it will become 3x minus 2x less than 1. Minus 2 you transfer to that side, so it will become plus 2. So x is less than 3. So we read this as x is strictly less than 3. X less than 3 you are getting. So therefore, see, on number line we'll have 3 here. Less than means left side will have negative infinity, go left. Right side positive infinity. So x is strictly less than 3 means x belongs to minus infinity till 3, because we can't cross 3, it is less than 3. But 3 is not included. We read this as strictly less than. So when it is strictly less than 3, you should not include 3. You should not include 3 means open interval, normal bracket you should write. And infinities always should be written in normal interval. So this is the solution. What is the solution? X belongs to minus infinity to 3. And also they want represent a number line. Representation of number line on 3. See, we'll have number 3 here. And right side will have positive infinity. Left side will have negative infinity. So from 3 till left. So shade towards less than means what? Shade left side. Make the line thicker towards left side. But you should not include 3. So at 3 you should write air bubble. 3 is not included. So air bubble. So towards left I should shade. So I should shade till what? Infinity. So arrow mark. Infinity nobody can reach, it goes on. Make the line left side thicker. So this is a number line representation. So this is a number line representation. X strictly less than minus 3. This is a number line representation. This is the real number representation. This is a real number representation. Hope all of you got this. Next, solve 3 into 1 minus x strictly less than 2 into x plus 4. X belongs to real number and represent a number line. So 3 into 1 minus x strictly less than 2 into x plus 4 they give. And multiply. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. Strictly less than 2 into x is 2x. Minus 2 4s are 8. Plus, sorry, 2 4s are 8. So bring 2x to LHS. So we already have minus 3x, and bring 2x, it will become minus 2x. Strictly less than 8. Transfer 3 to that side, it will become 8 minus 3. Hope all of you got this. Now, what is minus 3 minus 2? Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Strictly less than 8 minus 3 is 5. And always remember, quotient of x should be positive. If quotient of x is negative, multiply minus on both sides. And when you multiply minus on both sides, relation changes. So now I have minus 5x, but we need plus 5x. So multiply minus on both sides. When you multiply minus on both sides, so minus into minus becomes plus 5x. And plus 5 becomes minus 5. And very important, this less than becomes greater than. When you multiply minus on both sides, when you multiply negative sign on both sides, relation changes. So when I multiply minus on both sides, it's minus 5 becomes plus 5 and plus 5 becomes minus 5. And 5x is greater than minus 5. So x is greater than minus 5. This into 5, bring this side, it will become divided by 5. So x is greater than minus 5 by 5. That is, x is strictly greater than minus 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. X is strictly greater than minus 1. And you have to represent it on what? Number line. X is strictly and real number. So number line and real number. So now strictly greater than minus 1 means on number line at minus 1, put a air bubble. And we got greater. Greater means what? Shade towards what? Positive infinity. So shade towards, this is positive infinity and this side will have negative infinity. So shading or make the line thicker towards the right side. So this is a number line representation, and real number means x belongs to greater than, see they told we got the solution. What is the solution? The x strictly greater than minus 1. So from minus 1 till where? Till positive infinity. And include strictly greater than means I should not include 1. So open interval. So open interval, we read this as x belongs to open interval minus 1 to what? Infinity. Next, they want you to write answer in integers. X belongs to I means what? Integer. They gave the question. So x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Transfer to this side. So x plus 5 greater than less than or equal to 0 into x minus 2. So that is x plus 5 less than or equal to 0. X should be less than or equal to minus 5. So we read this as x is less than or equal to minus 5. Less than or equal to minus 5 means we'll have minus 5 here till we have negative infinity, but integers they want. What are the integers? Less than minus 5. Less than or equal to minus 5 means start from minus 5, go less than that. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, so on till negative infinity. All of you know number line. So we'll have minus 5. Less than minus 5 means we'll have minus 6, minus 7 till goes on. So that's why this is the solution. So minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, dot, dot, dot. Integers means always you should write the elements, all the solution elements in the form of a set. Real numbers means we can't write the elements, you should write them in intervals. Real numbers, write them in intervals. Integers, write them in the form of what? Elements. Next, 3x minus 2 by, 3x minus 4 it is. 3x minus 4 by 2 greater than or equal to x plus 4. X plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So taking this problem 3x minus 4 by 2 greater than or equal to, take LCM. If I take LCM, 4 is the LCM. X plus 1 minus 4 ones are 4. Further you solve, so it will become 3x minus 4 by 2 greater than or equal to x minus 3 by 4. Cross multiply 4 into 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Simplify 3 4s are 12x minus 4 4s are 16 greater than or equal to 2x minus 6. Bring 2x to this side, so 12x minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 6 minus 16, transfer that side, it will become plus 16. Further if you solve, 12x minus 2x gives you 10x and we have greater than or equal to 16. 16 minus 6 it is. So 10x is greater than or equal to 10, x is greater than or equal to 10 by 10 and into 10 goes this side, become divided by 10, x greater than or equal to 1. And they want in real numbers, x greater than or equal to 1 means greater than 1. So this is 1, greater than 1 means right side, and they told in real numbers. So I should go towards this. So x belongs to 1 till infinity and greater than or equal to is there, means including 1. So including 1 means you should put square bracket. We read this as closed interval. X belongs to closed interval 1 to open interval infinity. because greater means 1, 2, 3, so on. And in between 1 and 2, we have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 like that. That's why, so in real numbers, we should write in intervals, including 1. That's why I should put closed interval. Next, same way. So 2x plus 3 by 4 minus 4 less than x minus 4 by 3 minus 2, x belongs to real number. So now LHS, you take LCM, 4 is the LCM, 2x plus 3 minus 4 into 4 is 16 less than, again take LCM, 3 is the LCM, x minus 4 minus 2, 3 is a 6. Now 2x minus 13 by 4 less than x minus 10 by 3. Now further cross multiply. So it will become 3 into 2x minus 13 by 4 less than x minus 10. X minus 10 and 4 also you can transfer that side. 3 into 2, 6x minus 13, 3 is a 39 less than 4 into x minus 10. Simplify this. So 6x minus 39 less than 4x minus 40 and rearrange 6x minus 4x less than minus 40 plus 39. So 6x minus 4x is 2x, 2x is less than 1, minus 1, sorry, and x is less than minus 1 by 2. So if you take LCM, 3 2 is 6, so minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10, bring this side 6x minus 13 3 is 39, 4x minus 40. So rearrange, so minus 39 goes that side, it will become plus 39, it will become minus 1, so it will become 2x. All of you know 2x means x is less than minus half. They want you to write in real number. Less than minus half means on number line will have minus 1 by 2, less means go towards left side will have negative infinity. Real number representation is x belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 open interval, because strictly less than. So here we have strictly less than. If it is less than or equal to, then I will write closed interval. But it is strictly less than, so open interval. This is the solution. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 open interval. Similarly, they give 37 minus, open the bracket, so it will become minus 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 9 minus 8x minus into minus plus 3 8 is 24. And bring x terms to one side, minus x, bring this side, so it will become positive 8x minus 3x. 37 minus 5 is positive 32 greater than or equal to 9 plus 24. 9 plus 24 becomes 33. Rearrange, so 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3 is what? 5x greater than or equal to, transfer 32 to that side, so 33 minus 32. So plus 32 goes that side, become minus 32. So now we have 5x greater than or equal to, we have 5x greater than or equal to 31. 33 minus 32 is 1. X is greater than or equal to 1 by 5. And they want you to write the answer in integers. So all of you know 1 by 5 means if I divide 0.5 1s are 5 2s are 0.2. So greater than, on number line you know integers, 0 will have, 1 will have and 2 will have. It goes on, integers goes on, and left side minus 1 minus 2. So 0.2 will be somewhere here. So greater than or equal to 0.2, from here it goes, but 0.2 is not an integer. The first integer starts as what? 1. So solution is x is equal to, I can't take this, see they told we got solution x greater than or equal to 0.2, but 0.2 is not integer. What are integers? Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 0 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 like that. So after 0.2, so here on number line we have 0.2 here. After 0 I can't take 0, I can take from here, but this is not integer. The first integer starts it at 1. So integers, so 1 2 greater than or equal to 0.2 means starts from 1 2 3 so on till where? Infinite. Very important. Don't start with 0.2 because 0.2 is not an integer. Though 0.2 is a solution, if it is real number, so if it is real number, I can write x belongs to 0.2 closed interval till infinity. But if it is integer, I should start from the next integer, because 0.2 is not integer. Take from next integer. Next integer is 1, 2, 3, so on, because it is strictly greater than or equal to that one. Next, I hope all of you understood this. I'll see you in my next session. Please sit and practice all the problems of exercise. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.